Today we got a blue belt submission. I'm gonna turn this into them, try to get the blue belt. Finished up my challenge lock. It's a glass, little Japanese unit. Key sometimes sucks on this thing. Like right now. I don't need it for disassembly though, so I'll slide that out. Jimy Longs tensioner. Jimy Longs 23 short flat hook. Four is being stubborn. There we go. Number two, how should go? There it is. This thing. That. That's garbage. So what sucks about taking this thing apart is I don't have my follower. Doesn't clear this, and I was afraid to break this off and ruin something. So luckily, this just has a little thing on here. Lets you take out the springs. If anyone's never taken these apart before, these springs will jump and disappear on you. Now, hopefully I can get this key to work again since I locked it. So that it makes taking these pins a little bit easier out. Alright, I'm going to do it live. So, pin 5. Oh, 5 and 4. Right. For that guy. We'll verify that way. This part done. This here, this here. Number 3. Top piece. 1. Spring. Oh, now the table card. The top spring. 4. That was 4. Or rather, 2. 1. So now that's apart. can take this part. Nothing special here. It's your standard piece, your standard lock. There is very slight, you can see it hangs up on these right here. It's a little counter, like an overmilling, countermilling, whatever you want to call it. And these pins, which have the same little rank on them. Now they don't get caught like a gin. They do. You get the lock turned, they do kind of hang in it, which means if too much pressure, it'll jam up and won't let you turn it. Once you release the pressure, it comes up. Just a little looky at the pins here. Looks like standard size drivers and just a bunch of those fancy Japanese barrel type pieces there. This real little guy here, he's not really doing much, I don't think, back here. That's it. That's your Goal S. Thanks Jimy Long, and thanks to Red Wanderer for the goal. Hopefully it's good for blue.